Good morning children, welcome back to our maths classes. Today I am here with the solution of exercise 2a to 2e. So 5 exercises I have solved. Please have a cross check with your solutions. Here first one, question A, write the number name for the numerals given below. First one is done for you in the book itself, so I am doing here 2635, then 5457, then 9216, 6852, 5180, 2504, 7053, 4084, 2005. Here question B, write the numerals for the following number names. Here you are getting number name, numerals you have to write. First one is done for you, other solution. Here 6267, 4569, 9632, 7086. 3073, 5047, 8808, 1002, 6006. Here C, question C, write the missing numbers. First one is done for you. Then number 2, 2517, 2518, 2519, 2520, 2521, 2522, 2523, 2524, 2525. Here increased by only 1. We are counting forward and writing. Now question D. Counting in fives, write the next 4 numbers. Here 4. It is counting in fives. Here you are getting 1433, 1438, 1443. Then 1448. 1453, 1458, 1463. Here next question, 2484, 2489, 2494 and 2499. Here we are adding 5 with this number. Okay, you are getting 99. Then 2504, 2509, 2514. Then question number 3, 5820, 5825, 5830, 5835, 5840, 5845, 5850. Then 8639, 8644, 8649, 8654, 8659, 8664, 8669. Then next question, 6243, 6248, 6253, then 6258, 6263, 6268, 6273. Then question E, counting in tens, write the next 4 numbers. 7658, 7668, 7778, 7688, 7698, 7708 and 7718. Then 6935, 6945, 6955, 6965, 6975, 6985, 6995. Here you see we are increasing tens, place of tens. When we increased 10 plus 98, we have the hundreds place also changed. Here we are increasing tens place. Here question number 3. 4583, 4593, 93 after you see here hundreds place also is changed. 4603, 4613, 4623, 4633, 4643. Then 2368, 2378, 2388. Then 2398, 2408, 2418, 2428. Now 5535, 5545, 5555. Then 5565, 5575, 5585, 5595. Now question F, counting in hundreds. Now that means we are going to change the place of 100. 5378, 5478, 5578, 5678, 5778, 5878, 5978. 2192, 2292, 2392, 2492, 2592, 2692, 2792. Then 7080, 7180, 7280, 7380, 7480, 7580, 7680. Then 4634, 4734, 4834, 4934, 5034, 5134, 5234. Then next question 5, 9274, 9374, 9474. Then next one 9574, 9674, 9774, 9874. Then question G, counting in thousands. Write the next four numbers. 1546, 2546, 3546. Next one, 1000 we are changing. 4546, 5546, 6546, 7546. Then 2308, 3308, 4308, 5308, 6308, 7308, 8308. Then question number 4, 3692, 4692, 5692, 6692, 7692, 8692, 9692. And question number 5, 2990, 3990, 4990. Then 5990, 6990, 7990 and 8990. Here exercise 2B, question A, write the successor of the following numbers. That means after numbers. One is already done for you. Question, all the question, 14 question I have solved. Please go through this solution and have a cross check with your answers. In question number B, write the predecessor of the following numbers. That means before number. Please go through these answers. Now exercise 2C. Write the number shown on each abacus. This also counting the number, counting the spikes, rings on the spikes, and I have written the numbers. Please go through. There are 12 questions. Go through your solution and have a cross check. Here question B, show each of the following numbers on an abacus. That means here I have done with sketch pen, but you don't do with this, you have to do with your pencil. This also I have done for you. According to the number, everything is marked. So you go through this and have a cross check. There are 12 questions. Please go through and have a cross check. Now exercise 2D, write the place value of each digit of the given numbers in the boxes. Here it is done for you. Please focus on question number 5. Here in hundreds place, here you are getting 7, in ones place 8. That means 8 into 10, 80. Question, in hundreds place there is only 0, there is nothing is there, so we will write 0. 3 into 1000, 3000. Here I have done all this. In question B, write the place value and face value of the highlighted digit. Here one number, the number 8 in thousands place is highlighted. Place value means we have already studied, that is the product of face value and the place at which place. The number 8 is at the place 1000, so face value is 8. 8 into 1000, you are getting 8000. Here I have given all the answers. Here face value also and face value both are 4 because it is in ones place. Here 70 and 7, 0. See, face value and place value both 0. 4, face value and place value 4. Place value 8, face value 8. 80 and 8. Place value 0, face value also 0. Here 7 and 7. Then 9009. Exercise 2E, question A, write the following numbers in expanded form. See, this I have done. Thousands place 1, hundreds place 7, tens place 5 and ones place 4. All the 10 questions I have done for you. Please check your answers. Question B, write the following in compact form. That means short form. That is also I made all the answers. Here first one, you are getting 7458. Rest all please have a cross check. So that's all today. Exercise 2A to 2E I have solved. Please have a cross check for all the answers and learn it properly. Thank you. Have a nice day.